Welcome! In front of me I have XIAOMI Watch S4 and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the power saving mode on this watch. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing any of the buttons. After you wake up the screen, press the lower button to open the control panel. On this panel you should see a bunch of icons, and one of them should be this battery icon. Once you see the battery icon, you can tap on it. Then scroll down and tap on the checkmark to confirm, and the power saving mode will be enabled. And that's how it looks like. Basically you have access to time, a date, and battery level. You can't see them because the screen is so dim you can barely see anything. And if you want to exit the power saving mode, you need to press and hold the lower button and keep holding it for about, 5 seconds, basically until you see the normal watch face. You can also turn on and off the power saving mode through the settings. So if you're on the home screen, you can press the crown button to open the menu, scroll through it, tap on the settings icon. In settings you can find the battery option, tap on it, and here you have the battery status, and under it you have the battery saver mode, ultra battery saver, and you can tap on this switch, tap on the check mark, the mode will be enabled, and if you want to disable it, of course press and hold the lower button, like this. And that's how you enable and how you disable the power saving mode on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.